Hello, 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 hello. My name is Ryan. I'm here to show you how to make a pallet. So, this crowded area of everything. Basic tools you're gonna need for this, I'll list in the description. These are the pallets these are going on the raised garden bed on the side. These will make up all the vertical pieces of wood basically. And the whole goal is to take these and add pieces of 2x4 as anchoring points. One here, one here, and one here. Alright. Now, back to work. Hey guys, hopefully I'm done with these earplugs now. Insulating me from the world. Not good. Just joking. So now I'm putting in my first screw here into the boards. You can see this one, 2x4, is not the same length as that one, but I'm still going to use it because I will use these blocks and other odds and ends to lengthen it to the exact same length. I might need to do a cut to cut one of these to be this size, or I might not. Maybe can, but I probably don't want that to overhang because that will be on a corner. And hey guys, back in the action here. Building the frickin' raised garden bed, better believe it. So this part I thought I'd point out, I have, sorry for the camera shakiness, very different sizes of planks that I'm using. Grab this big guy and this one. So this is like standard 2x4 right here versus the big guy all the way down there. So what I've done is just used all these planks to sort of prop up things so that things will still screw in tight. You can hear things cracking if I put weight on it like that. So at least there's something there to sort of catch it. And so these are all the planks that I've thought are nice, and I'm going to put them on. So you can see here that I'm just working my way along like this. Alright. So I basically put in one and one all the way along. And in order to go straight, I just kind of feel out here and try to line the planks up with the end of this brick here. And so that way I kind of know roughly that it's going to be fairly straight and not be totally slanted one way or another. And it is the best day to do this. Yesterday was rainy, horrible, and got called off work, didn't feel like doing it. Today I got called off work early, so Wabam. Again, all the details about the dimensions, everything will be in the description. Trying to make this as helpful as possible. Alright, cheers guys, back to the time lapse. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Got these 16 planks up here. These will be, those will be the things securing the corners. We'll just hammer those into the ground. And these are the 4 walls. So again, 13 inches by 5 feet. I had to use like quite a bit of wood to secure them on top. You can see there, like that's my one anchoring piece, and then a bunch of other pieces in there. I'll flip it up for you. Can do that. So you see the wood there. It's all lined up, pretty good. You know, holes here and there, but I'm not too concerned about that. It's fairly thick soil. Bit of run through is not a big deal. So now the question is what to plant, and I will be updating you guys with how the stocking of these, like the setting up of the 4 walls goes, and what plants I'm going to put in there. So yeah, a lot of time effort. I think you can see that in the time lapse,